Alright, got a TS700 chop saw in excellent condition. It's great. You know, it's been used, but it's been well taken care of. Got it from a local city government. I don't know what the reason was, but they said it wouldn't start. I pulled the spark plug out and seen the tip. There was hardly no gap in the tip. Why they didn't check it, I don't know. I put a new spark plug in it and voila. I'm gonna start it up for you here and let you look around it. This thing's a beast. I'm gonna set my camera down, put my compression button in, and let's see what happens here. There you go. Idle's good. There's some scratches, decals peeling. There's nothing broken, cracked. Well, up here in front, I'm going to show you that little piece there. Got a little scuff right there. But other than that, it's a healthy saw. Alright. Still got some numbers on it for what they had. I think it's out of service or something they had written on there. All right.